Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So, what is the expectation? Expectation is
Expectation, as we have been saying all these days, BJP will form the government and we will get a majority on our own, which you'll know very soon. And in the worst case scenario, we may need a few seats, which I think the independents are going to play a very important role in this election.
So, how many you are expecting? How many seats you are expecting?
I expect a simple majority, but one never knows. It is ultimately people who have voted. Suppose you are short by a couple of seats, then I think there are people who are already gravitating towards the BJP. They are meeting us. They are in talks with us because they know only BJP can do something, because you have the same BJP government at the center. We need the funds for development. We need the funds for the schemes. We need to carry on the good work that has been done. That is the high command of the BJP which will decide who is the chief minister and how to move forward thereafter. Let the results come.
तुम्ही असा सीएम कॅन्डिडेट असेल
हांव केन्ना काय अपेक्षा करना. माझो फुल फेथ माझ्या पक्षाचेर आणि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री माननीय अमित शाह आणि सगळे दुसरे वरिष्ठ नेते आसात ते बीजेपीचे. We are in touch with them. They are in touch with us.
तुमको responsibility दिली फला as a CM म्हणून तुम्ही घेतले. What will be yours?
Let us think of crossing the bridge when we near the bridge.
What is the lead that you are expecting?
I expect a very comfortable lead.
And so चारी constituency तुमचे इथे किती?
We are winning all 4 seats. Maybe one of the seats may go to an independent, but he is as good as us only.
और तालीम म्हणता तुम्ही.
Yes, of course.
So he will be also.
So it's a hint. It's a hint that you already given. Spoiler.
Yes, thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.